restrict or unrestrict someone on Facebook, simply follow these steps. Firstly, what is restricting someone on Facebook? Restricting someone on Facebook allows you to limit their interaction with you without unfriending or blocking them. When you restrict someone, they can still see your public post, but they can no longer see your private post or interact with you in certain ways, like commenting on posts where you tag them or many more. So now, in order to restrict them on mobile, open the Messenger app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So now, once you're inside the Messenger, simply tap on the 3 dashboard option available in the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon available in the top right corner of your screen to navigate to the settings and privacy. Now here, scroll down and tap on the privacy and security option available there. And simply tap on privacy and security. Inside privacy and security, you will find the option restricted accounts. Simply tap on it. Now here you can see the list of people you have restricted, or you can manually add people to the restricted list there. Now search for the person you want to restrict and tap on the restrict option available there, and they will be restricted. Now in order to unrestrict them, simply tap on it, and there you can see unrestrict option available. Tap on the unrestrict and they will be unrestricted. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.